Hello everyone, my name is Katia Sanchez. I am 23 years old and I'm from Tegucigalpa, Honduras. I'm excited to be here and the opportunity to learn about the community health methods this semester. I served as a missionary in the Mission Mexico Ciudad Juarez. In high school, I studied computer science and also learned carpentry. I love to help others, so I decided to study applied health to help improve the health condition of the people in their communities. I like to read. I'm currently reading Game of Thrones. I like volleyball, singing, and I like to play video games. I currently work as a dental assistant, and I love my job because we are dedicated to helping others to recover not only their smile, but also their joy. And in this clinic, we also help future missionaries. From left to right, I am the tier one. Here is the clinic team. I enjoy to work as a dental assistant. This is my favorite scriptures, and it is because knowing that there is a God help me to have hope and trust that He loves us. I know that He lives and the He influenced my life, and I recognize His power and love in my life. My career goals are to become certificate in community health methods, to continue learning, strengthen good work and establish good relationships with my peers, and obtain a degree in applied health. I know I will learn everything I need to learn, not only from my instructor, but from my classmates. I'm very excited to learn this semester and to learn more about you. Well, that is for this video, and thanks for watching.